In this question it is said, a company produces two types of goods, A and B, that require gold and silver. Each unit of type A requires 3 gram of silver and 1 gram of gold, while that of type B requires 1 gram of silver and 2 gram of gold. The company can use at the most 9 gram of silver and 8 gram of gold. If each unit of type A brings a profit of rupees 40 and that of type B rupees 50, find the number of units of each type that the company should produce to maximize the profit. Clear? So let X units of goods A and Y units of goods B be produced. Okay, so in this case, suppose this is good A, this is good of type B, and this is one column for profit, this is one column for silver and for gold. Clear? Profit on good A is rupees 40 and that for type B is rupees 50. Silver for good A is 3 gram and for good B is 1 gram. Gold for good A is 1 gram and that for good B is 2 gram. Okay, now X unit of good A, when produced, it will consume silver. How much? It is 3x. And Y units of good B will consume silver, which is equals to 1 into Y, means Y gram. And here it is said at most 9 gram of silver is required. So this is less than equals to 9. Clear? Now X units of good A will consume how much gold? Obviously X plus, this is 2 gram for good B, means 2Y, and at most 8 gram of gold can be used. So that means it is less than equals to 8. So these two are two constants, and another constants are X greater than equals to 0 and Y greater than equals to 0. Okay, now we can solve this equation like this. This is 3x plus y is equals to 9. So on considering x equals to 0, y is equals to 9, and on considering y equals to 0, x equals to 3. Clear? So this will give us the graph of the line. And for the second equation, that is x plus 2y equals 8, when we are considering x is equals to 0, then y is equals to 4, and when y is considered as 0, x is equals to 8. Clear? Now we are forming the solution graph. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Suppose this is y and this is x. Okay, for this solution, x is equals to 3 means this point, and y is equals to 9 means This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this point. So on joining those two lines, these 2 points, sorry, the graph of this line has been drawn. Clear? Now with this solution, y is equals to 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4 this point, and x is equals to 8. That means this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 this point. So on joining these 2 points, another line has been plotted. This point is the intersection of this line and this line. So we have to solve these 2 equations. 3x plus y is equals to 9 and x plus 2y is equals to 8. On multiplying this equation by 3, we will get 3x plus 6y equals to 24, and from the first equation 3x plus y is equals to 9. On cancelling these 2 equations, 3x is cancelled by 3x, 6x minus y is 5y, and 24 minus 9 is 15. That means y equals to 3. And x is equals to how much? This is 3 suppose. So 9 minus 3 is 6. 3x equals to 6. That means x is equals to 2. Clear? So this point is 2, 3. This point is 3, 0. And this point is 0, 4. This is the origin, that is 0, 0. Clear? So from this solution set, these are the 4 corners. Clear? Now for the profit, what is the profit? We are considering the profit as z, which is equals to 40x plus 50y. Clear? Now for these 4 values, means the coordinates, we will be finding out the profit. So z at 0, 0 is obviously 0. Z at 3, 0 is equals to how much? 40 multiplied by 3 plus 50 multiplied by 0, which is equals to 120 rupees. Clear? Again, profit at 2, 3 is equals to 40 multiplied by 2 plus 50 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 80 plus 150 means rupees 230. And for the last point, that is at 0, 4, the profit is 40 multiplied by 0 plus 50 multiplied by 4, which gives us rupees 200. So out of these 4 values, means rupees 0, rupees 120, 200 and 230. This is the maximum value. So that means this is the maximum profit. So our answer is maximum profit is equals to rupees 230, 2 units of goods A and 3 units of goods B to be sold. Clear? So this is the solution for this question. Thank you.